Okay guys, so what we have here is Peugeot 207, and the common issue with them is the chain tensioner goes bad, while the chain and all of its components are still in very good condition. So to get it out without taking the intake manifold off, because it takes a lot of time, as you can see I have it right here already. Look, what you need to take off is take off the valve cover, take off the intake pipe. This thing right here goes by 110 mm. Take off this piece of the air filter, disassemble the air filter box. Take this off. In here it is not screwed on or anything, you just have to take off the rubber hose off. It just slips on, nothing else. Then you take a 7 mm and you have to reach your hand in there deep down and unscrew this one. This is a 7 mm thingy, and then you need to use Torx 30 to take off those 3 bolts which hold the throttle body to the intake manifold. And then you can take a 27 flat wrench, you just put it in there, attach a second one in, and you can make a lever to let this loose. Then you do it once again, and then it comes off in your fingers. Remember not to touch the chain right now. And the difference between the old one and the new one, I will show you right now. I have the new one right here. So the old one just goes right in, almost no resistance when you do this. But the new one, you can squish with all of your power and really nothing happens. So yeah, and now you just put it in and do everything in reverse. You screw it on by hand, and before you attach the throttle body, because it takes a while, I'd recommend taking the wrenches again, torquing it really hard, probably as hard as you can, because it should be technically 90 newton meters. And yeah, a new gasket here. Technically you should have a new gasket for throttle body, but this car's for sale anyway. And then just assemble everything. I'm also gonna be putting new oil in here and some new filters, but yeah, so this is how you replace this thing in the 1.6 BMW and Peugeot shitty engine. Don't buy this.